ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കുന്നത് ഫോറിൻ കോർപ്പറേഷനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. കോർപ്പറേഷൻ, ഓഡിറ്റിംഗ്, അക്കൗണ്ടിംഗ്, ബാങ്കിങ് ഇവയുടെ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെയും വീഡിയോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതുപോലെ 14 രാജ്യങ്ങളിലെ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചും വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ വീഡിയോസിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്താലും സബ്ജക്റ്റ് വൈസ് ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ കാണാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾക്കിതൊരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് പോലെയും ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ആൻസേഴ്സ് എഴുതാനുള്ള സമയവുമുണ്ട്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഞാൻ ഇതിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഇല്ലാതെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് എഴുതാനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പരമാവധി ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഇല്ലാതെ നമുക്കതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഏത് എക്സാമിന് ഏതൊക്കെ രീതിയിൽ ചോദിച്ചാലും നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. First question, dash is the trademark for goods produced by the Danish cooperative dairies. Lurbrand. Dash is the father of cooperative movement. Robert Owen. The cooperative was started by Dr. William King. Raiffeisen advised for dash liability societies in rural areas. Unlimited liability societies in rural areas. Raiffeisen concentrated his work mainly the poor farmers in the dash rural areas. Raiffeisen concentrated his work mainly the poor farmers in the rural areas. The phrase each for all and all for each was coined by Raiffeisen. Dash has no cooperative legislation. Denmark has no cooperative legislation. Dash is the father of Irish cooperative movement. Horace Plunkett is the father of Irish cooperative movement. Dash defined the cooperation as self-help made effective by organization. Horace Plunkett. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society was started in the year dash. 1844. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society was started in the year 1844. Dash workers in Rockdale joined together to form Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society. 28 workers. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society relates to Dash Society. Consumer Society. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society related to Consumer Society. Dash is considered to be the founder father of the cooperative stores movement. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society is considered to be the founder father of the cooperative stores movement. Birthplace of cooperative credit movement is dash. Germany. Birthplace of cooperative credit movement is Germany. Dash famous for dairy cooperatives. Denmark famous for dairy cooperatives. In the year 1850, Dash organized the first credit cooperative society in the world. Hermann Schulz. In the year 1850, Schulz organized the first credit cooperative society in the world. International Cooperative Day is celebrated on dash every year. First Saturday of July. International Cooperative Day is celebrated on first Saturday of July every year. Formation of International Cooperative Alliance was in the year dash. 1895. Formation of International Cooperative Alliance was in the year 1895. Dash is the supreme body of International Cooperative Alliance. General Assembly. General Assembly is the supreme body of International Cooperative Alliance. The headquarters of International Cooperative Alliance is situated at dash. Brussels. The headquarters of International Cooperative Alliance is situated at Brussels. 2013 ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് അലയൻസിൻ്റെ ഹെഡ്ക്വാർട്ടേഴ്സ് ബ്രസൽസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയത്. In dash the year, headquarters of International Cooperative Alliance was shifted to Geneva from 1980 to London. International Cooperative Alliance 1895 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഹെഡ്ക്വാർട്ടേഴ്സ് ലണ്ടൻ ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നീട് ഹെഡ്ക്വാർട്ടേഴ്സ് 1982 ജനീവയിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി. അതിനുശേഷം 2013 ബ്രസൽസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി. International Cooperative Alliance has dash regional offices. 4 regional offices. International Cooperative Alliance has 4 regional offices. The headquarters of Regional Office of ICA in India is at New Delhi. The headquarters of Regional Office of International Cooperative Alliance in India is at New Delhi. Dash designed the cooperative flag. Charles Guide. Charles Guide designed the cooperative flag. Cooperative flag is to be hosted with the dash color at the top. Red color at the top. Dash is considered as the homeland of cooperative consumer movement. Great Britain. Great Britain is considered as the homeland of cooperative consumer movement. Robert Owen was born in dash. 1771. Dash was the mill owned by Robert Owen. New Lanark Mills. Equitable Labour Exchange was established by Robert Owen. Equitable Labour Exchange was established by Robert Owen. Doctrine of circumstance was formulated by dash. Robert Owen. Dash is the first cooperative legislation in the world. Industrial and Provident Societies Act. Industrial and Provident Societies Act is the first cooperative legislation in the world. Induscos is a type of cooperatives in dash. China. Induscos is a type of cooperatives in China. The supreme authority of a cooperative society is dash. General body. The supreme authority of a cooperative society is general body. The word cooperation finds its origin in the word dash, which means work together, is derived from dash language. The word cooperation finds its origin in the word cooperare, which means work together, is derived from Latin language. The cooperative movement originated first in dash. England. The cooperative movement originated first in England. The main person believed that cooperation can succeed only through the Christian way of life was dash. Dr. William King. In Germany, Schule society were in dash areas. Urban areas. In Germany, Schule society were in urban areas. In Germany, Schule society has dash liability. Limited liability. In Germany, Schule society has limited liability. The general organization of stores in Sweden was dash. KF, Cooperative Forbundet. The general organization of stores in Sweden was Cooperative Forbundet. In 1864, first friendly societies in Italy was formed by dash. Luzzati. In 1864, first friendly societies in Italy was formed by Luzzati. Casse Rurali was the rural banks in dash organized by dash. Casse Rurali was the rural banks in Italy organized by Wullenberg. Father of Chinese cooperative movement was dash. Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Dash is the birthplace of Land Mortgage Bank. Germany. Germany is the birthplace of Land Mortgage Banks. In Japan, the Cooperative Credit Association is called dash. Co. In Japan, the Cooperative Credit Association is called Co. Dash is the cooperative farming in Israel. Kibbutz. Kibbutz is the cooperative farming in Israel. Dash is the earliest type of cooperative agricultural settlement in Israel. Moshav. Moshav is the earliest type of cooperative agricultural settlement in Israel. Dash is the collective farms in Russia. Kolkhosh. Kolkhosh is the collective farms in Russia. Dash is the father of cooperative movement in America. Hudson Kelley. Hudson Kelley is the father of cooperative movement in America. Dash is the father of Irish cooperative movement. Horace Plunkett. Horace Plunkett is the father of Irish cooperative movement. Find Raffleson, whose statement is this? Frederick Nicholson. The first president of Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society was dash. Charles Howrah. The first president of Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society was Charles Howrah. Robert Owen came to limelight by formulating a theory called dash. Doctrine of circumstance. Robert Owen came to limelight by formulating a theory called doctrine of circumstance. The cooperative credit organization called Co was organized in dash. Japan. The cooperative credit organization called Co was organized in Japan. The father of consumer cooperative stores in Denmark was dash. H.C. Sony. The father of consumer cooperative stores in Denmark was H.C. Sony. Rockdale Equitable Pioneers Society was registered under dash. Friendly Societies Act 1793. Rockdale Equitable Pioneers Society was registered under Friendly Societies Act 1793. F.W. Raffleson was born in dash. ഹാം. ജർമ്മനിയിലെ ഹാം എന്ന സ്ഥലത്താണ് റൈഫൽസൺ ജനിച്ചത്. ഹു ഓർഗനൈസ്ഡ് ദ പുവർ പീപ്പിൾ കമ്മിറ്റി? Raffleson organized the Poor People Committee. The name of society started by Raffleson in 1862 was dash. Village Society. Homeland of Agricultural Corporation is dash. Denmark. Homeland of Agricultural Corporation is Denmark. Danish Cooperative Wholesale Society was dash. FTB. Danish Cooperative Wholesale Society was FTB. Whose statement is no competition, no money and no profit? Robert Owen. What is kolkhoz? Collective Farm of Russia. Kolkhoz is Collective Farm of Russia. The first secretary of Rockdale Pioneers was dash. James Daly. The first secretary of Rockdale Pioneers was James Daly. Better farming, better business and better living is the essence of a cooperation said by dash. Horace Plunkett. Nordic is a cooperative consumer society in dash. Denmark. Nordic is a cooperative consumer society in Denmark. Cooperation is a universal instrument. Who said this? Horace Plunkett. Schulz was born in dash. 1808. Schulz was born in 1808. Founder of the first shoemakers cooperative society in Germany. Schulz. The place where the Cooperative Congress was held in 1966 to adopt the revised cooperative principles. Vienna. The author of the book Principle of Environment. Robert Owen. The first commune established in China. Sputnik. The first commune established in China. Sputnik. Central Union of Consumer Societies in Russia. Centrosoyuz. Central Union of Consumer Societies in Russia. Centrosoyuz. The milk products of Bangladesh cooperatives. Milk Vida. Histradust is a trade union organization of national level in dash. Israel. In Japan, the consumer cooperative movement started in the year dash. 1879. In Japan, the consumer cooperative movement started in the year 1879. The colonies established by Robert Owen in USA was dash. New Harmony. The colonies established by Robert Owen in USA was New Harmony. The chairman of the committee which formulated the cooperative principles in 1995 was dash. Ivan MacPherson. Active price policy was started in dash. Sweden. Active price policy was started in Sweden. The marketing societies is in Israel are dash. Nuva. The marketing societies is in Israel are Nuva. Name of Lusati is associated with the development of cooperative movement in dash. Italy. Dash was the rural bank started Italy by Wallenberg. Casse Rurali. Casse Rurali was the rural bank started Italy by Wallenberg. Dash is the first form of cooperative organizations in Russia. Artel. Artel is the first form of cooperative organizations in Russia. IAOS was established by dash. Horace Plunkett. IAOS in the full form Irish Agriculture Organization Society. The book Noblesse Oblige was written by dash. Horace Plunkett. The book Noblesse Oblige was written by Horace Plunkett. Ben Hartley was a famous cooperator in dash. Germany. Ben Hartley was a famous cooperator in Germany. Dash is known as Carver's addition to the cooperative principle. Cooperation among cooperatives. Cooperation among cooperatives is known as Carver's addition to the cooperative principles. The main aim of labor colonies is founded by Robert Owen was dash. Eliminating child labor. The main aim of labor colonies is founded by Robert Owen was eliminating child labor. Hypotheca Bank was in dash. Japan. Skimmeries are in dash. Ireland. The apostle of cooperation dash. Raiffeisen. The first cooperative law in Germany was in 1867. The first cooperative law in Germany was in 1867. Cooperated was started publishing in the year 1828. The Danish Egg Export Society was founded in the year 1895. Dash is considered to be the father of French cooperative movement. Charles Fourier. Charles Fourier is considered to be the father of French cooperative movement. Dash is a voluntary association of members in Russia. Collective farming. Collective farming is a voluntary association of members in Russia. Trade name of dairy products in Denmark. Lurbrand. Dairy farm of Europe. Denmark. Dairy farm of Europe, Denmark. വിച്ച് കൺട്രി ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ഹോം ഓഫ് അഗ്രികൾച്ചറൽ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ? ഡെൻമാർക്ക്. ഡെൻമാർക്ക് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ഹോം ഓഫ് അഗ്രികൾച്ചറൽ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ. ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡ് സിസ്റ്റം ഫസ്റ്റ് അഡോപ്റ്റഡ് ബൈ ജപ്പാൻ. ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡ് സിസ്റ്റം ഫസ്റ്റ് അഡോപ്റ്റഡ് ബൈ ജപ്പാൻ. ICA rope was established by Nehru. ICA rope was established by Jawaharlal Nehru. ICA rope-ന്റെ വർഷം 1960. First ICA Congress was held at London. First ICA Congress was held at London. അപ്പോൾ എക്സാം ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളവർ മാർക്ക് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അതിൽ ഓൾ എന്ന ഓപ്ഷനാണ് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായിട്ട് വരികയുള്ളൂ. താങ്ക് യു.